Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5A and let me show you how to set up the screen lock method on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose lock screen and password. Choose set screen lock, and now you have to decide either you would like to use pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me use a pattern. So here we've got the information, let's read it and tap got it. Afterwards you can draw your unlock pattern, let me do it. Let's do it again just for confirmation, choose confirm. And basically that's it. Now you can press power key, and as you may notice right now, to use your device you need to enter your pattern. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.